Good morning, students. Today we are going to see some basic concepts which will be helpful to you while doing your examination papers. Now, these are the concepts which are told along with matrices and determinant syllabus. The first one is the value of determinant of a matrix having 2 rows and 2 columns are given to be k, we assume. Then if we multiply the matrix with, say, 2, every element of the matrix is multiplied by 2, then the value of the determinant will become 2 into 2 into k, that is equal to 4 times. Alright? But if the determinant has 3 rows and 3 columns and the same thing is done, that is every number is multiplied by 2, the new value of the determinant will be 2 into 2 into 2 into k, that is 8k. It will become 8 times. You should know this. We can express any matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix. If the matrix is A, the symmetric matrix has formula P is equal to half A plus A transpose. And skew-symmetric matrix is Q is equal to half A minus A transpose. A can be written as P plus Q, where A is equal to half A plus A transpose plus half A minus A transpose. If A and B are inverse of each other, then their product is equal to the identity matrix. A multiplied by B will be equal to I. Now the fourth thing is, if 3 vertices of a triangle are given A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2 and C, x3, y3, we can find out the area of triangle as half x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. If a matrix has 6 elements, the possible orders are 1 into 6, 6 into 1, 2 into 3, 3 into 3 into 2, 4 in number. 4 possible orders are there. If there are 12, it will be 1 into 12, 12 into 1, 2 into 6, 6 into 2, 3 into 4, 4 into 3. In this way, you can find out for 24, for 36, for 18, for any number. Any matrix A having m rows and n columns with element Aij. Aij means A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Aij has m rows, n columns, where in case of a square matrix, the rows and columns have same number. What is transpose of a matrix? Transpose of a matrix is represented by A dash. In this matrix, the rows and columns of A are interchanged. What for a matrix capital A, if the determinant comes to 0, then it is called a singular matrix. This you should know. If determinant of a matrix is a 0, then it is known as singular matrix. If A is a matrix and adjoint of matrix is adjoint A, then their product is A into adjoint A or adjoint A into A. This is equal to determinant A into I, where this is the sign of determinant of A and this is the sign of identity of matrix. 10th, if matrix A has m rows and n columns and B has n rows and p columns, then A dot B is possible. the columns of A should be equal to the rows of B. And what will be AB matrix? AB matrix will be having M rows and P columns. First row of a matrix has 7 and 5. Second row has 2 and 3. Then determinant is 7, 5, 2, 3 determinant. We know how to solve it. 7 3s are 21 minus 2 5s are 10. 21 minus 10, that is 11. If we multiply an identity matrix with itself, then it is again an identity matrix. I multiplied by I, that is equal to I again. Use these concepts, apply them in the test and prepare for the test well. It is an MCQ test, need not worry, do it confidently, you will all be able to do it. Best of luck, stay home, stay safe, be prepared. Thank you.